Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to replace the waste cartridge of Xerox Versalink C415 and how to replace it once it is full. First of all, we need to open the front door. Sorry, I have to keep my mobile in one side because there is no one to hold the mobile phone. So we need to just rotate the printer a little bit, open the front door, and we need to open the right door. Yep, open the right door. Yep, push the two orange latches, one on the left side, one on the right side. Push both together. That's it, easily comes out, and you can see the black box. That's the toner waste cartridge. Yeah, and put that push that orange latch, then pull the waste cartridge out. That's it, and get the new one from the box. Yeah, check which way it's going in, make sure it goes in the right way. Yeah, I was just double checking, and it's a little bit struggle, but if you put and double check the holes, goes inside, lift the orange latch, hold it and push inside a little bit. That's it, it's clicked. All done. We need to put the right door back. Close the right door. Now we need to close the front door as well. All done. Thank you for watching. If you like it, please share it.